I made $20,000 in a month as a video editor, and in this video I'm gonna break down how I went from 2k a month to 20k a month in around a year and how you can speed up the whole process. So how did it start? I had been editing for around 2 years. I wasn't that good at editing. I was super unproductive. I was spending like 20 hours per video when it should have took around 5 if I were to do it right now, and I wasn't getting clients that were paying actual good money. So I dug into productivity so that I wasn't spending that long on a single video and I could like 4x my output, which would in the end 4x my income. I also started exploring my creativity. Previously I was getting ideas but I wouldn't execute on them, but with the mindset switch I started exploring my creativity and trying anything that came up to my mind, and I actually started producing good videos. I also went all in and invested my money into a proper setup. Back then I wasn't making that much money, so this is a MacBook M4 Max with 128 gigabytes of RAM. It cost me like $5.6k, which was a lot at that time for me, but it was a bold move and I decided to go all in. I pushed myself out of my comfort zone and it ended up working. This way I started getting good clients that were actually paying me well for what I was worth. This didn't come for no reason though. Since I had figured out productivity and how to actually get work done, I could output more for that client. And how I figured out all this productivity was through trial and error. For example, I started waking up at 3 a.m. before school to edit videos, which ended up being a really good move because I would get like a week's work done within one morning. This is what worked for me. You don't have to wake up at 3 a.m. like I did, but these were the hours that got me the most productive and the most creative. And why I was paid this well was because my editing became actually good. I was providing results in terms of views. So for example, when my client would get like another editor to edit his videos, because he had 2 editors at that time, like all of the videos that I edited would outperform his other editors. So he would prioritize me anytime he could. And why I'm making this money consistently is because, as I said, I provide these results for the clients and the clients are happy, so they could pay me this much. Because the mistake I see most editors doing is just trying out flashy stuff that don't bring in any views, any money, any subscribers, any followers to the client. So why should he keep you if you can't actually get him a good ROI? The key mistakes I made throughout this journey was not building a personal brand. I was just DMing people with no portfolio, no brand, no nothing. I had like 10 followers on Twitter and I would DM people offering them editing and I had nothing to prove myself. So that's why at most I was landing only $30 jobs. This was because even though someone would see my DM, they wouldn't respond because I had nothing to back myself up. So for anyone watching, all you need to focus on as an editor is your productivity, being creative with your videos, and building a personal brand. Those are the key 3 elements. And if you want to grow your editing business without going all the trial and error that I went through, check out the free training in the description.